Hello and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to call a contract from another contract. So basically, this is almost similar to when we're doing inheritance. But in inheritance, we are using like the is keyword to like bring in or override those functions that are in the other contract or in the parent contract. But in this particular video, in terms of making contract calls, is quite a bit different in the sense that you don't have to start overriding function. You can just instantiate, create a new instance of that contract that you want to access or that you want to call, and then you can call any of the function that are inside that particular contract. So without talking too much, let's just create some simple functions. Yeah. So basically, let's say in contract B, we want to create a function called get name, and we are making it pure. We're just going to set a string for that. Okay. So what we are doing next is we're just going to return. I think before we do the return, we need to return the type here. So let's say string memory. So we are returning my name. Okay. So this is what we are returning. So this is what we currently have in contract B. Now in contract A, we want to get this value. We want to get this name. We're not overriding anything. We just want to get what is here in this contract. We just want to interact with it in our contract A. So all we need to do is to create our own function because we are not overriding anything here. So we can call it get name from A. Okay, so this is okay. Yeah, so we could just do something like, we could also make it pure and then return string memory. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is to return the name. So how do we even do that? So I think there are different ways we can actually achieve that. We can instantiate that contract here, this contract B inside this contract A by just calling this contract B. We pass it inside here and then we say contracts B. Okay. So from here, if we now do something like dots, if we do dots, we should be able to access get name. Okay, as you can see, I'm able to see all the things that are inside contract. That's the only thing that is there. So I can just do get name. So now let's see the error we are getting. So basically, function state mutability can be restricted to pure. So we are using pure here, so we can still stick with pure. Okay, so this is fine. If we run this contract now and deploy, so if we deploy this contract and test the code, if we want to get the name, so what we need to do first of all, let me even see the one I deployed. So I deployed A. We need to deploy B first because we need to pass the address. This place is expecting the address of contract B. So what I'm going to do is to delete this and select B and deploy. So we have deployed B. So this is the address for B. I've copied it now. So now let's deploy contract A. So I'm going to deploy contract A now. And then, so this contract A. So inside contract A is where we want to access this. We want to pass in the contract address so that it's going to return my name for us. So let's pass in that address. So as you can see, we have my name. If we still call this function directly inside B, we are also going to get the same thing, my name. All right, guys. So this is just a simple way of you interacting with any contract from your own contract. So this is what we mean when we say contract to contract call. We are just calling functions or accessing functions in another contract within our own contract. So guys, that's it. So if you have any question, please do where to drop it in the comment section, and I will be very happy to help out. And if this video has been impactful, please do where to like the video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.